Anyways, what you see here is a computer. Yes, you heard that right. It's a credit-sized machine with 1GB RAM, quad-core processors, 4 USB, Ethernet, HDMI, and a built-in Wi-Fi. People call it Raspberry Pi 3. So today we will be turning this device into a hacker computer.
Let's do it.
We will be using a Raspberry Pi 3, a micro SD card, 16 GB is enough for it, a micro USB charger, a HDMI cable for connecting it to the monitor, a keyboard and a mouse, a case for it, and a hoodie. What? You can't be a hacker if you don't wear a hoodie, right? You can find the links to these products in the description.
First, we need to download the Linux distribution, which is Kali Linux. It's a great operating system for using hacking tools, pen testing, and much more. Go to their website and download the Kali ARM image for Raspberry Pi 2 or 3. Link is in the description. File will come as a compressed file. Extract it with WinRAR on Windows or the Unarchiver on the Mac. You can find it on the Mac App Store. Now we have our image file, which we need to burn to microSD card. For connecting the microSD card to your computer, you can use a SD card adapter or a USB card adapter. Connect it to your computer and look for what path our microSD card is on. If you're on Windows, we will need a program called Win32 Disk Imager to burn it. Link is in the description. After you install it, right-click and choose Run as Administrator. Choose where the image file is. Click Write and wait for it to finish. If you're on Mac, open up a terminal. You can do that by pressing CMD and space, then type terminal and enter. Type disk util list. Look for your microSD card. Here it is, disk 1. Now you need to unmount it. You can do that by typing disk util unmount disk 1. Now type to burn the file to the microSD card. Sudo ddbs equals 1m. If equals, now drag the image file to the terminal. Then type of equals /div/rdisk1 or the number for your disk. Wait for it to finish. Now your operating system is installed on the microSD card. Insert it on your Raspberry Pi 3, connect the HDMI and the power adapter. Now it should start booting. After a while, a login page will show up. By default, username is root and the password is tool. So this is the desktop. Now press Alt F2, then type XFCE for terminal. And this is our terminal. Before everything, go to Edit, Preferences, Colors, and choose preset green on black. Because we are hackers and hackers have green texts on black terminals, right?
Yes, we do.
Now connect to a network with an Ethernet cable or by using the Wi-Fi of the P3, which you can find here. Then type apt-get install gparted. Gparted is a disk partition editor. Normally when you type df-h, you will see that all available space on the card is not being used by the user. So to fix this, type gparted, choose the partition, click on resize move, and take this arrow to the max like you see here. Click on resize and apply here. Now your system is almost ready, but if you look at the applications on the top left corner, you will not see all of the hacking tools that you see here. That is because the image file we downloaded is not fully built in with the hacking tools. So in order to download them, go to the terminal again and type apt-get install kali-linux-foot. Hit enter and note that this will take a long time depending on your speed, so just wait. After the installation, you have a fully loaded hacker computer. Congrats!
But you don't know how to use it. First of all, I suggest you to learn some command line commands in order to get familiar with it, because almost every tool is being controlled over command line. Check the link in the description for learning the command line. These videos are going to be a series. Purpose of this video was to make you understand how you can install Kali Linux on a Raspberry Pi 3 and do the configuration we will need. On the upcoming videos, we will be learning how to use